How to recover a Google account password without verification code and your phone number. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can recover our Gmail account without using our phone number and without using our verification code. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. So if you don't have the access to your phone number and you're wondering how you can access your Gmail account back, these are the process you may follow in order to do so. First of all, just head over to the Google application onto your device, right? Just long press on the Google application and you'll find this info section. Just tap on it, and when you tap on it, you will find the settings of Google here. So you're just gonna look up for the option called permissions and tap on it. After tapping on permissions, you will be able to see this option called location. Just turn it off, tap on this don't allow anyway, and then close it. After that is done, you're just gonna head over to the Chrome browser. Just long press on it. After that, tap on this info section again, and here you can find this option called browser app. Just tap on it and you're gonna tap on Chrome here. After that, get back, and here on permissions, you're gonna go on here. Also, you're just gonna tap on this location and tap on don't allow, and confirm don't allow anyway. After that is done, just close your app info section of that particular app. After that, head over to the Play Store application onto your device. Just head over to the Play Store. After that, go to the search bar and search for Dolphin browser here. Just type in Dolphin browser. After that, log in this application onto your device. It may take about a minute or two for the application to be downloaded on your device. Just wait for the download to be completed. After that, on the Wave tab, you're going to type in google.com. Just type in that. Go on with the process of google.com. After that, you're going to tap on the sign in option at the top. Just tap on it and you'll be taken to another page where you need to enter your email and phone number. So you're just going to type in the email that you want to recover here. After that, tap on next, and you'll be taken to another page where you need to enter a password. Since we don't know our password, or we can't use our password since we don't remember it, you're just going to tap on this forgot password section. After that, it will take you to another page and give you solutions. So then another method is, you can see this check your phone. You may just check for that phone, but since we don't have phone, we're just going to click on this I don't have my phone right now. So you can find this option called you didn't provide info for Google to be sure this account is really yours. So don't tap on this try again section here, because there is a chance if you do this, your account may be locked. When you tap on this try again section, tap again and again. So you're just going to minimize this Google app and head over to the main settings of the device and scroll down a bit until you're able to find the option called Google here. Just tap on Google. After that, you'll be taken to your Google page here. So here you can find this all services and recommended section. You may just tap on this three dot at this page. Just tap on it and you can find this help option. Just tap on it. After that, you're just going to look up for the help section. Just type in here Google account recovery. Just type in that on this section. So when you go to this section, you'll be finding this option called recover your Google account or Gmail. Just tap on it. After that, you'll be taken to another page where you'll be given a bunch of solutions. You need to enter your email and phone number. After that, tap on next. Just enter your email here. After that, go on with the simply process of your account recovery. Otherwise, you may just post a help. You may just scroll down. Otherwise, you may just go to this post to the help community. After that, give in your problem here and they'll try to help you on recovering your Google account. So therefore, these are the process you may follow in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.